Breaking news. We, the Ondo election officials, we hereby upload 75% of election results to INEC server. The Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) has expressed optimism that all results of the Ondo State governorship election would be ready by Sunday afternoon. The commission said that about 75% of the election results from all polling units in the state have been uploaded on its results viewing portals. The INEC Senior National Commissioner, Prof. Antonia Simbine, disclosed this on Saturday evening when she featured on a television program in Akure, the state capital. She said, "I don't think that we can say for definitely now. We all know that Ondo State is quite large with varying types of terrains, including going over the seas. All the results have to come in before we can really say. Right now, polling units, the results have been uploaded. We have about 75% of those units results uploaded on the INEC's results viewing portal. But nothing can happen. These have to pass through the registration area, ward level collation, as well as local government collation center. We are aware, particularly in the case of Ilaje, that they have not concluded their RA collation, and they will be doing that at Igbokoda hopefully tonight. It is doubtful that they will be able to come at all. I'm not sure about that, but hopefully, probably by midday tomorrow, Sunday, everything should be in pause or minutes. Then we will now know who the rightful owner of the governorship seat will be. Is it Akeredolu or the next incumbent that is also contesting as the governor of Ondo State? Thank you, my viewers, for listening to this news. You have heard the good news from the officials, from the Ondo election officers. They said that they have submitted the results. They have submitted 75 out of 100% of the election results from all polling units to the INEC, independent, to INEC Senior National Commissioner, who is Antonia Bimbine. He said even the Akure's own has not been released, but since the Ondo own has been released, it will never be announced today, but tomorrow afternoon. Then we'll now know who deserves to be the the governor of Ondo State. I don't think that we can say for now that we all know that Ondo State is quite large. It's very large with the kind of things that we see in it, including going over the seas. They have so many things in the land. All the results have to come before we can really say it out. We can't just announce what we are not sure of. What if at the end of the day other people bring their own percentage or the percent, or they bring their own results, and we have already announced that this person is the winner? And what if the person is not the winner and the ones that they just brought is the winner? Is that no confusion? So this is why we should be patient. By tomorrow afternoon, the results will be declared, and we will know who the true governor is. So viewers, you have heard it all from the writer and the officials. You have seen what they did by submitting 75% by uploading 75% of results of the election results to INEC. Will INEC be able to deal with this? Please let this election not be like that of Edo State or Imo State. It should not be like that. Look at what is going on now in Edo State. Obaseki is really going through hell. He's going through hell because of the petitions the people have been writing against him. That other parties have been writing against him, that he can never be the governor of Edo State, that the court should withdraw him from the seat, which they are still battling. But I'm sure that it can never be possible. So I don't want that what happened to Edo State election or Edo State governor should also be happening to this Ondo State governor as well. I don't buy that idea. So viewers, you have heard it all from the official, and the willingness to the anxiety to get the results so fast to announce the winner of this election, then that will be tomorrow afternoon, not today, because they are waiting for others to submit their own results as well. So viewers, your comment concerning this news is of great importance. Please don't hesitate to drop them below the comment box. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell button to receive updates whenever I publish any new videos. And please, listeners, don't forget, click on the like button and also share this news with your loved ones. Thank you as you do. Have a pleasant day. Bye.